Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning guys. Let us introduce my team. My name is Purnomo.
My name is Tania Rekon.
My name is Raffi Setiawan. My name is M. Aldi Akbar. Welcome to your video anatomy, function and characteristic of food. In this video, we will explore the basic structure of food. How is caption in food format and how to reach its utility. Are you want to learn more about food and how to cause high quality food? Then this video is perfect for you. Material are fundamental for human life and the tools are to study and transform nature. White content development of fossil fuel resources as well as dramatic at material determination. Traditional material needs to be adapted to the course of social development. Mass material demand extensive mode of energy and cost for their manufacture and general considerably. Mass material demands excessive amounts of energy and resources of their manufacture and great considerable when in the process and cost for their manufacture and generate considerable in energy, sort of environmental, overall and ecological impact. In process to this challenge, then there has been a growing interest in eco-friendly materials that are sustainable, renewable and biodegradable. Among their internal food and house use and experimental choice. Food is not only a purchased material but also offers environmental benefits. In upwards, carbon dioxide will growing. Store carbon in the product and requires less energy and water to produce than water, and the diffusion material addition wood is highly recyclable and can be reusable thanks without losing in environmental integrity. The unique anatomy and composition of wood makes it an attractive for a variety of applications. Wood scholars
In this video, we'll explore the anatomy of components of wood, identity and physical and mechanical properties, and learn about various testing methods used in the industry and research. By understanding this aspect, we can exploit the full potential of wood as sustainable material while making a positive contribution to the environmental conversation. This background material will provide a clear context about the importance of wood and environmental friendly material and how understanding the structure, characteristics, and testing methods of the woods can help in this more effective and sustainable use. Botanical element woods in botany is called secondary xylem, and the former tells the secondary stem growth of the plant, which during its growth increased thick. Secondary xylem is closely related to secondary phloem. The second tissue arranged is the stem in the contact with the bark. Xylem cell mainly function as air conductor. In the contrast, the phloem cell which function as the main food carrier in the converse and within. The cotyledons, food, secondary xylem and phloem produced by them. Phloem is the embryonic area of the zone that produces cell through division, so that is a lateral meristem in the woody plant. Differentiation of the procambial and cambial initiation into the xylem cell maturity is called xylogenesis. The duration of the xylogenesis established as long 4 days for primary xylem 21 days in the secondary cell. With the anatomy, location of the leaf, stem, and the roots in the vascular plants, the resulting secondary network by cambium over the 3 years period, the xylem and phloem cell of the third year are located in the next to cambium, while the xylem and phloem cell produced during the first year. It's located on the inside and the outside of the skin.
Xylem 4 stages of genogenesis: A. Initial differentiation of ray and fusiform into different cell types. B. Secondary wall build-up and hole formation. C. Lignin build-up colors red. D. Cell death and sagging of cell content. Secondary phylogenesis usually includes 4 stages. A. Cell expansion. B. Cell walls thickening. C. Liquefaction. And D. Programmed cell death. Xylem. A. Four types of xylem cells: structure, parenchyma cell, fibers, and vessel. B. Parts 1 and 2. And phase 3. Few of 3 types of whole pairs: simple, bordered, and semi-delimited. In conifers. Xylem. A. The first xylem cell types: trachea, parenchyma, seal, fibrous, and vessel. B. Sectional 1, 2, and phase 3. Few of the 3 types of fit pairs: simple, bordered, and semi-bordered. In a conifer. Material features: 1. Material selection, card showing A. Young's model versus density, and B. Elastic materials, high retention as a function of strength. Softwood and hardwood. Ultra structure secondary. Xylem in conifers has sufficient ultra structure, simple compressed to hardwood, because its volume consists only of trachea, mean 90, and parenchymal cell, mean 10. The trachea is the main conducting cell in softwood.
Xylem of the core period will apart as circle in transverse plane and as parabola. In the tangential plane, macroscopic appearance of the stem in cross-section. Cross-section shows the 3 main parts: pith, word, and bark. Among stem, word, and bark, vascular cambium is located, which is invisible to the naked eye. Word on the plane, the transverse show a pattern very typical of non-repeating concrete xylem. Layer as a circle of the core rings are not uniform. Inside as many cases, each circle has 2 different zones. The serious zones, which differ in density, color, and feature, are fluctual according to what occurs during spring, early wood, and during summer. Late wood, transfer water. It is thought that the tension begins with the inner support, reduces its ability to join and transfer water to core. Finally, the outer xylem of the one what can be reversed in section transversely called the part, which shows all the tissue located outside the vascular cambium.
Test methods on the word are essential to evaluate its properties and suitability for various species application. These tests can be divided into mechanical, physical, technical, and biology category. Here an overview of common wood testing methods. Test methods on the word are essential to evaluate its properties and suitability for various species application. These tests can be divided into mechanical, physical, technical, and biology category. Here an overview of common wood testing methods. Number 1, mechanical testing compression test measure wood resistance to pressure. This is used for judging compressive stage of wood, but parallel and perpendicular to grain. Tensile test determines the strength of wood when subject to tensile force. This helps in understand the tensile stage of wood along the grain. Bending test assess the ability of wood to withstand bending. First, this test measure module of elasticity MOA and module of Richter MOR. Shear test measure the ability of wood to withstand shear force. This is important for application where wood can be exposed to shear force. Hardness test generally performed as the Janka hardness test, which ensure the force required to install bolts into wood. This show the wood resistance to wear and dates. Test methods on the wood.
Construction. Wood is a complex and versatile natural material widely used in various applications due to its unique property. Its anatomy includes various structural elements such as ankles, fiber, and fascia, which contribute to its overall strength, durability, and appearance. The composition of wood primarily consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin alone, with minor components like extractive and mineral. The components determine wood mechanical property, such as flexibility, density, and resistance to decay. The characteristics of the wood, including grain pattern, texture, color, and shape, vary depending on the species, growth condition, and processing method. These characteristics are crucial in determining the suitability of wood for specific application, from construction to furniture making. Testing wood involves several methods to assess its physical and mechanical property, such as moisture content, density, hardness, and strength. Common things include bedding test, composition test, and impact resistance test, which help in evaluating wood performance under different conditions. Construction. In summary, understanding anatomy, composition, and characteristic of wood, along with appropriate testing method, is essential from